Say bye. Bye, Thomas.
Sky 5!
Thomas, you're late.
Hello, what are you doing?
I'm loading up cargo.
Bye, friend.
See you later. See you later, Thomas.
Absolutely. Hi.
What are you doing?
Cranky's gonna load my cargo.
Hey, Thomas, let's get this cargo loaded. Hello.
What are you doing?
Getting the cargo loaded. Bye. Bye, Thomas. See you later. See you later, Thomas.
Time to roll.
Bye.
Woohoo!
Hello, Thomas.
Hello, Cranky. I have a delivery.
I'll take it from here. Going up.
Hi.
Where are you going?